Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to recover the deleted files from Speechify. Now if you want to recover the deleted files from the Speechify but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Speechify app on a device. So if you have not installed the Speechify app, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, simply open the Speechify app, and as you can see, this is the home page of Speechify, where you'll see various options on the bottom of the taskbar as well as at the very center of the screen. So to recover the deleted files on Speechify, click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right of the screen, and as you can see, this is the profile page where you'll see various options. So simply click on the option of settings like icon at the very top right, where you'll see the option of name, email, subscriptions and all of it. But below file suggestion, you'll see the option of deleted files, so click on it, and from here you just need to select the file which you want to recover. So select the file and click on the option of restore, which is at the very bottom of the screen. So if you click on the option of restore, a pop-up will saying are received files back to your library. So if you want to add it, click on the option of yes, but if you don't want to, click on the option of cancel. I'll simply click on the option of yes, and if you go back to your library on the home screen, the files will be added back to your Speechify account. So that's it. That's how you can recover the deleted files from the Speechify account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.